basically checking that first joint. Yeah. So we're gonna come right in here. Just relax that
Wow, that was crazy.
That was a good one. So main thing for you, neck, like upper back type of stuff, because. Okay, bring your head this way for me. Whoa, it already went. Look at that. Oh. It was ready to go. Everybody laughs on the first adjustment, I'm telling you. Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. That was a loud one. Being a gymnast, never getting adjusted, man. I can't. Come right here. Relax that arm down. Good. It's probably needed that for a while. All right, other side for me. I mean, if he can do it, you can do it.
Oh, absolutely.
Right there. Good.
It's a good kind of nervous.